Okay, it's late night. I got a couple of seconds here. This is where we've gotten at now. The chair is actually on its slide rails. Not albeit all the way, but there's the lift handle right there to slide it forwards and backwards. Trying to see if I'm actually going to have that up a moment or so. I'm not sure if I will or not. Wait, yes, I will. The front end will be lifted up. And I actually, towards the end, will have another way of doing that other than using wood. This is my computer chair, which I've taken, of course, off the base and I'm putting on here. And right now, I've got the Logitech G29 sitting on here. But of course, our Thrustmaster TX is going to be going up on there with a Ferrari wheel. Got the raised part over there for the shifter. Got to cut a hole. And after that, brace for the television to come up, probably about right here, that close too, because I want it kind of really close up on me, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. So progress is, I mean, we're almost there as far as the build goes. Then there's sanding all this beastie. Then there's painting it, which is gonna be spray paint, teal and lime, and then after that, I say teal, but anyway, it's gonna be teal for me. And then after that, this thing goes in the room. And I'm sorry, but that looks great. That feels good. I hadn't really just built anything since the Enterprise E. This feels good. I'm ready to get it off my underneath this carport and inside of the bedroom. This is a big piece of furniture I just built. It's gonna be badass. So anyway, we're gonna cut this video we're gonna end this video here. And then we'll be putting up another one once we start with finishing up, getting some sanding done, getting the TV mount right and everything, then getting some paint slapped on it, and then we'll be putting it in. So catch y'all in the next one.